Midday News is brought to you by Dogra A1 Digital Hearing Aid Center, Jammu, offering special discounts for the senior citizens and reimbursement schemes for the government employees. The Jammu and Kashmir government has added apprehensions about the new land laws, including the sale of agricultural land, declaring it categorically that no agricultural land can be transferred to any person from outside the Union Territory, and it can only be sold to the agriculturist within the UT. This was stated at the press conference by the UT government spokesperson and Principal Secretary Information and Power Development Department Rohit Kansal. He said the safeguard of agricultural land alone would ensure that more than 90% of the land in the UT, which is agricultural land, remain protected with the people of JNK.
You're also aware that a number of old laws, at least 11 laws, have been repealed and at least 4 major laws have been modified. This modification, repeal and changes has led to a variety of reactions across the state.
Jammu and Kashmir on Monday recorded 385 new cases of COVID-19, while 8 fatalities took place in the last 24 hours, taking the number of infection to 95,710 and the death toll to 1490 in the Union Territory. Out of the fresh cases, 134 are from Jammu Division and 251 are from the Kashmir Valley. Jammu district recorded the highest 108 cases, followed by 71 in Srinagar. There are 6,080 active cases, while 88,140 patients have recovered so far. Panic gripped at the border belt of Hiranagar after Pakistan resorted to heavy shelling in the area, forcing the villagers to run helter-skelter for their safety. As per the reports, the Pakistani Rangers continue to target the residential area of border village in the Hiranagar sector with heavy mortar shelling for few past days, damaging the residential houses and inflicting injuries to animals. The people of the border belt are worried about their safety as well as the safety of their animals. Deputy Commissioner Kathua O.P. Bhagat, along with a team of administration, visited the village and took the stock of firing and lost the support by the public. Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh on Monday launched the Ideas Box on the good governance practice in pandemic. The Ideas Box aimed at the crowdsourcing of ideas and has been operationalized with the intention to exchange views about the best practices followed during the pandemic like COVID and how best to follow them in the case of similar situation arising again. The ceremony was coincided with the valedictory function of the Vigilance Awareness Week observed by the Departments of Administrative Reforms and Public Grievances in the Union Minister of Personnel. With 38,310 new infections in the last 24 hours, India's total COVID-19 cases surged to 82,67,623 on Tuesday, according to the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. With 490 new deaths, the total mounted to 1,23,097. The total active cases are 5,41,405 after a decrease of 20,503 in the last 24 hours. The recoveries have reached 76,03,121 with 58,323 new discharges. The US presidential race is headed up for a tight finish with the margin between US President Donald Trump and his Democratic rival Joe Biden shrinking, particularly in the key battleground states. Latest opinion polls indicated on Monday eve of the elections. Biden 77 was leading Trump 74 in the key battleground states by 2.9 percentage points, which comes within the margin of error, according to the Real Clear Politics, which maintains an average of major opinion polls. 6 suspected smugglers were arrested on Monday with the 6 kilograms cannabis and rupees 1 lakh cash was found in their possession in Jammu and Kashmir's Udhampur district. Acting on reliable inputs, a police party of Udhampur intercepted a four-wheeler and a two-scooty on the highway. During a search of the vehicle, the cannabis and the cash were found and seized, and 6 people were arrested on the spot.
को 6 kg जस्ट लाइक सब्सटेंस रिकॉर्ड किया है। इसमें 6 पर्सन अरेस्टेड हैं जो कि और इसमें हम लोगों ने एक कैश भी रिकॉर्ड किया है 1 लाख कैश भी रिकॉर्ड किया है। सिंस केस दैट इनिशियल स्टेज प्रोग्रेस उसमें इनिशियल स्टेज में है, इन्वेस्टिगेशन प्रोग्रेस में है। अभी हम फॉरवर्ड चेन का थोड़ा सा हमने किया है जिसमें कोई डील हम उधमपुर के एडजॉइनिंग एरिया में हो रही थी डील।
The Jammu and Kashmir government has evacuated 7,70,483 JK residents stranded in the other parts of the country due to the COVID lockdown via Lakhanpur and through special trains and buses till date amidst the strict observance of necessary guidelines and the standard operating procedures. As per the official data received in this regard, Jammu and Kashmir administration has received 155 special trains at Jammu and Udhampur station from different states and UTs so far, with about 1,40,292 passengers, while about 6,30,101 people from other states and UTs, including 937 from abroad, have been evacuated by the government through the Lakhanpur till date. Divisional Commissioner Jammu Sanjeev Verma on Monday chaired a meeting to review the progress on the tourism infrastructure projects taken up in the district for the development of tourism trade in Jammu Division. The DIFCOM asked the executing agencies to further gear up man and machinery and set timelines for the completion of each component of these ongoing projects so that the locals can avail the benefits from these projects. The DIFCOM also asked the DCs to develop a local tourist site in their respective districts and encourage schools to visit these tourist sites for overall development of tourism sector in the Jammu sector.